Hey, I'm Lynne Knowlton from Design the Life You Want to Live, and I am going to show you how to make the coolest pom-pom on the face of the earth. I used to make these pom-poms for my blankets with, not gonna lie, toilet paper roll, cardboard, wrap it around my palm of my hand. I did everything, and they kind of turn out okay. But never have I ever made a pom-pom this pretty. These are my new knitting obsession, so get ready. This is what a pom-pom maker looks like. This is a super large pom-pom maker, and this is like a medium-sized pom-pom maker. You can buy these pom-pom makers at local craft stores. I buy mine on Amazon, so I can link to that for you. I bought all different kinds and literally fallen in love with this brand. It's way easier than it looks. This comes apart. Ta-da. It's like, I don't even have my glasses on and I did that. And it folds in. So what we're going to do is you just make sure your two pieces are together. We're going to start by just winding it around it. It's so easy. We're gonna wind around. And the more you wind around, the bigger your pom-pom will be, basically. So what I try to do is, if you can see, it's kind of like a little half moon here. I try and fill it till this actually is full in here. And of course, when you use the little tiny ones, it takes no time at all, but I'm going to go big or go home. It really doesn't matter if you have little pieces hanging out, if you've had, you know, half a ball of yarn and you need to join it again. It all works out in the wash. You just go around in a bunch of circles. You can see it's almost to the top. I could keep going, but today we're gonna do a nice little quick one. So now you're just basically going to close that. Done, right? That part's not so bad. We'll do the same thing now on the other side. Here we go. Close that up. Cut it off. Now this is the part that you think is going to be kind of scary, but it's not. You'll see where these two little pieces here join. I'm going to take my scissors and cut all the way around. I would suggest using sharp scissors, which these are not. Okay, there's a little dividing factor, a little line there. And these pieces are all randomly sticking out, have no fear. This is usually the part where I panic for no good reason. There we go, it's all cut. I'm going to take a piece of yarn. You can make that yarn as long or short as you want. I don't make it too long because I'm just gonna end up weaving it in and tying it onto my blanket anyway. And you're just gonna go between those two lines right here and tie a knot. You could go around again and do another knot. So there's a little release thing here. I'm going to undo that. And if you remember, it pulls apart, so it just comes off. Now I just did a little pom-pom and didn't make it too full, but you can see it makes a pretty awesome pom-pom. Now you'll have little random dudes here, and you just need to take your scissors and trim those up. Happy pom-pom making.